Hi guys, this is Chris Morton from binaryoptions.net.au, and in this binary options broker review, I'm reviewing Nadex. So Nadex is a interesting broker. It's actually limited to only USA, Mexican, and Canadian residents. So which is a bit unfortunate that, if you're from Europe or the rest of the world or even Australia, you can't actually trade on their exchange. So we'll go through the pros and cons of Nadex, primarily for USA, Mexican, and Canadian residents. So they're regulated by the CFTC. It's actually the only USA regulated binary options broker exchange. So yes, U.s Traders Are Accepted. Their funds are segregated. But yeah, the cons are that for the rest of us, we can't actually use Nadex. Some other limitations of Nadex, I believe, are their banking options, which I'll go through later, and you're also limited to their exchange trading hours, but which is fine if you're actually living in USA, Mexico, or Canada, as you're going to be on the same time zone. So they were founded in 2009, and they are regulated, but they're actually now owned by the IG Group, which is a huge holdings company that have over $2 billion in market capital. So they're quite owned by a huge company. They're headquartered in Chicago, where their online exchange is. So you're going to get returns up to 100%. It really is an all or nothing profit. So if you put in $100 and you're in the money, you actually get $100 back. If you put in $50 and in the money, you get $50 back. And if you lose and you're out of the money, you get $0 back. So the minimum deposit is $100. The minimum investment is $25. I'm actually not sure what the maximum investment is. I could not find those details anywhere. So if you're from the US and use Nadex, please comment below this video and let everyone know what the maximum investment is. You can get a demo account, and you can have that for 2 weeks, and you start on $25,000. So I highly recommend doing that before actually getting a real money account, especially if you're new to binary options trading. As I mentioned before, limited to US, Canadian, and Mexican residents only. Your cash out is going to happen within 3 to 5 business days, and of course you only can trade in US dollars. So the banking options are quite limited. For US residents, you have wire transfer, e-check, and paper check, and for Canadian and Mexican, it's just wire transfer. And it looks like the only withdrawal option is a wire transfer, and you're actually also going to cop a $25 fee per withdrawal. So the trading platform, I actually can't see visually because obviously I'm based in Australia, but I believe it's browser based. So it's going to work on pretty much every browser, and I think on most systems, whether you're on a desktop running Windows, running Apple, or running Linux, I think you can actually fire up some browsers that run on Linux as well. The expiry times, as far as I can tell, are hourly, daily, or weekly. I'm not sure if they have shorter times than hourly. They do have a mobile app for Android and Apple, and also have an iPad app as well. So you can trade on your tablet. There are 2 main option types, being buy or sell, or high or low, and they also have bull spreads. And the assets you can trade are Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, and also Bitcoin. So if you have any questions about Nadex, please comment below this video. I'd like to know if you have traded with Nadex and whether your experience was a good one or a bad one. Were you able to deposit quite easily and withdraw your money? I'd really like to know. So if this is one of the first times you've watched one of my videos, please subscribe to my channel, as this is the best way to bookmark my particular channel. So every time we upload a new trading strategy, broker review, or signal review, you're going to be the first to know. So until next time, may all your trades be profitable.